Hi there. As you can see, we've been doing a lot of work here at the new studio here in Akron for WRLM. We've been building some new rooms, some offices, some production facilities, and it's just going to be a great new studio. We're going to bring you all sorts of new programming. Speaking of the new studio, I want to show you right now the new studio room. As we walk through this door, pardon the noise, they're working on it as we speak. As you can see, there's a very large area here. We plan on putting all sorts of new sets in, bringing you lots of new great programming right here from the Cleveland, Akron, Canton, Ohio area. You're going to be able to do so much, and it's just a great opportunity we're excited to be a part of. Right here behind me is going to be the new prayer room. As you can see, it's a fairly large room. We're going to be able to have a lot of phones in here, bring in a lot of prayer partners, be able to answer even more of those calls that come into our prayer centers that help so many people. So I just wanted to give you an update, show you a little bit of what's been going on, and know that we're making a lot of progress here at your new TCT studio. God bless.